Now to reduce the size. It is 1 inch. You can see it's a 1 inch size. Now when you fix it well, it will fit the toilet, and the toilet will be fine. So I will fix my flexible tube. Let me show you. Yeah, this is what we call flexible tube. I like this heater living. You fix it here, and you have to tight it with your pipe wrench. Then you fix it to the other side of your cistern. As you can see, it will be coming here. Now, after that, your toilet, you can use it and everything will be fine. Here, this is a gate valve used to, it seems like this plumber used it to close this water shower pipe. Yeah, let's see, this is the shower. I don't know why he didn't fix it here, and I don't know why he placed it outside, but I think it's because of space. As you can see, I'm here, then the distance is, you cannot wash your body, the toilet is already small. This is tap where everything works. You can see the distance, you can see the toilet. So by this toilet, everything is fine. Now I'll show you. There is another thing, or I'll try to show you. Yeah, this is what you do. And we fix in this sink. This is called hard wash sink, BC. We fix it well. I'll show you after I'm done with it. This is the kitchen sink. This is a single one. You can see. This is a water system. You can see. And I'll show you after I'm done with everything. I'll show you very nicely how everything will work and how this room, you see, it is having several things. It is not yet ready, but after I'm done with this, everything will be fine because toilets with the house. So I appreciate for your support. Always, I beg, you can just press your subscribe button, you like our videos, press the ring button so that when I get another new thing that is fitting you, it will just appear to you. Thank you very much. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.